Hi there. Between discussing this cutting-edge control system and that sophisticated new video algorithm, we should never neglect the very basic aspect of video surveillance, our image clarity and quality. When do we notice we have a problem? Too often when it's too late. When we look for a specific event recording for investigation and find it's too dark or too bright to be usable. Making sure all of our cameras are set to perform optimally is challenging. It takes time, skilled technicians, and frequent readjustments as lighting and scenery conditions change. Is there a good solution to this problem other than holding a small army of technicians? You bet. It's called Visual Parameter Optimizer, and as you'll soon see, it can do wonders for you. Visual Parameter Optimizer automatically controls image properties, namely brightness and contrast, and maximizes the visible range on the capture device. The Visual Parameter Optimizer can be applied for any edge device, analog and IP cameras, MPEG-4 and H.264, and it's adaptive to environmental changes. The VPO algorithm is repeatedly changing the brightness and contrast in order to reach a better distribution of the pixels in the scene across the grayscale range. The result of this repeated action is a higher perceived quality of image and more visible details in the scene. Let's look at an outdoor image example. The source image is evidently too bright. The histogram below the image shows saturation on the right side. You can see how many pixels are stacked in one place. Now let's turn to look at the Visual Parameter Optimizer processed image. It's well exposed and, as you can see, the histogram moved to the center with a much better distribution of pixels. All this without a need to manually change any of the camera settings. Let's look at another example. This indoor image is too dark and saturated on the left side with a narrow histogram. The narrow histogram indicates that many items will not be visible as they look to be in the same color. After processing by the VPO, we can see that the histogram moved towards the center with no saturation. Furthermore, it's considerably wider, which implies a larger visible range, higher quality, and more details. The Visual Parameter Optimizer is an essential addition to any video security network. It's powerful, cost-effective, and assures a constant clear image for all your cameras, even as lighting conditions change, all in a fully automatic manner. More importantly, it may prove critical to a successful event investigation or real-time alert in a moment of truth.